Did you know the incredible uses of baking soda? Often found in our kitchen cabinets and known for its role in baking, this white powdery substance holds a plethora of lesser-known benefits. In this video, we'll unravel 7 amazing uses of baking soda. From soothing heartburn to supporting kidney health and even aiding in the fight against cancer, the power of baking soda goes well beyond the baking tray. Now let's dive into the wonderful world of baking soda. Did you know baking soda can be your first aid for heartburn? That's right. Sodium bicarbonate or baking soda can soothe that uncomfortable burning sensation caused by acid reflux. It works by neutralizing stomach acid, providing quick relief. But the magic doesn't stop there. Baking soda also enhances oral hygiene. It's a natural cleanser, helping to freshen your breath and promote healthier teeth and gums. So next time you feel that burning sensation or need a quick mouth freshener, reach out for the baking soda. Ever thought of baking soda as a skin soother or a workout enhancer? Imagine this. A simple paste of baking soda and water can provide relief for skin irritations and minor burns. It's a gentle yet effective remedy right from your kitchen. And here's something for the fitness enthusiasts. Baking soda can help improve exercise performance and reduce muscle fatigue. It buffers lactic acid buildup, allowing you to push your limits. Now, isn't that a fitness hack you didn't expect? Can baking soda really support kidney health and relieve arthritis pain? The answer is a resounding yes. Baking soda or sodium bicarbonate can help maintain a healthy pH balance in your kidneys. This might assist in preventing kidney stones and boosting overall kidney health. Additionally, baking soda's anti-inflammatory properties can be a powerful ally against arthritis discomfort, providing much-needed relief. So, it seems that this humble kitchen ingredient is more than just a baking essential. Who knew that this humble kitchen ingredient could be a boon for kidney health and arthritis relief? Baking soda in the fight against cancer sounds incredible, doesn't it? Well, science shows us that baking soda might have some potential benefits in this arena. Sodium bicarbonate, the scientific name for baking soda, can help to stabilize pH levels. This is important because cancer cells thrive in acidic environments. By potentially maintaining a healthier pH balance, baking soda may complement cancer treatments and support overall well-being. While it's not a cure, it's certainly an aid worth exploring. As we've discovered, baking soda is more than just a baking ingredient. This humble kitchen staple soothes heartburn, freshens breath, and even helps maintain healthy teeth and gums. It provides relief for skin irritations, enhances exercise routines, and supports kidney health. Baking soda can even relieve arthritis pain and potentially complement cancer treatments. Each use is a testament to its incredible versatility. So embrace the versatility of baking soda and unlock its remarkable benefits for a healthier, more vibrant life.